Hello everyone. In last video we learned how to add a link to a page. So in this example we have our page 1, and we are linking that with this link. So when we click on this page 1 text here, so this is a link. When we click on this, it opens the page 1 page. If we want to show page 2, we will add similar link, page 2, page 3. Right? Now we have 3 links. If we click on page 1, it will open page 1. If you click on page 2, it will open page 2. If we open page 3, if we click on page 3, it will open page 3. But you can see we don't have anything in page 3. So if that page is not there, it will throw 4 and 4 out 4. Right? So if we want to go to page 1, we will have page 1. So name of this page should be mentioned here. Now we need to show state names instead of page 1, page 2, page 3 in real application, like in Doctor directory application. We want state names to be here, right? So what we will do, so instead of page 1, we will have, suppose, California, okay, New York, Texas. Okay, if we save this, we can see we have California, New York and Texas, 3 states we have here. And when we click on California, it will go to page 1, but we want California, right? So instead of page 1, we need to create a page called California. For New York, New York. For Texas, Texas. So if we have 50 states, we will add 50 links. And for each 50 links, we would want 50 pages, right? You can see here we have 3 pages. We had 3 links. Now we have 3 states. So we'll have to create, instead of page 1, page 2, page 3, we'll have to create California, New York, Texas. And if we have 50 states, we would need to create 50 pages here. But that is not practical, right? If there are thousands of cities, then in each state, even if we suppose create 50 pages for 50 states, but inside one state we would have to create hundreds of sub pages for cities. So what is the solution? Solution is to make this dynamic. Dynamic means you will not fix the page name. Like here we have California. So instead of creating this as California, we will make it variable kind of thing. Right? So we will have just one page. Instead of having 50 or 100 pages, we will have one page for state. So instead of 50 state pages, we will have one state page. And when we click on California, that same page will show California. That same page will work for California. When we click on New York, the same state page will work for New York. When we click on Texas, the same page will become Texas page. Right? It's like a variable. So how to do that? Instead of California, New York, Texas pages, we will have one state page. Right? So let's click folder and add state. Okay, and inside that we will create a page. Suppose this is the page. Let's now remove this dummy data and show here state name. Okay, here we want to show state name. This is state page. Okay, instead of California, New York or Texas, we just have state page. And link will be what? Do we add here state like this? Because page name is state, should we have this link as state? No, the link will be with this as a state name, because we want to show California. So we will add 50 links with the state name in the link. So now you can see here We want California link, but when we click on this, instead of California page, it should go to the state page. Correct? If we click on New York, it will go to state page. If we click on Texas, again it will go to the state page, and inside this page we will come to know that user has visited which state, California, New York or Texas. So nextjs passes one variable here, and variable will say that user has clicked on this link. So we will have one parameter here which will say this page, state page, needs to show which link, the link which has been clicked, right? So in this page here we will have one params, and this param will have a variable with this name, like this folder name. So here we will have params dot state. So whatever will be the link clicked, if we click on California, this page will open. In the param.state, it will have California. So we will show California. When we click on California, it will show California. When we click on New York, it will show New York. When we click Texas, it will show Texas, right? So one page will work for different links. So this is dynamic. When we have here page 1 and we have page 1, it is static. When we click on page 1, it will open page 1. Now let's try this. Let's refresh this. So see, here we have California, New York and Texas, and you can see here in the bottom, when we hover on California, it shows link as California. That is correct, right? New York, New York, Texas, Texas. So if I click on California, it will go to California link. So it will show here California, and it should open the California page. I mean, it should open this state page and show the state name. But wait, what is happening? We are getting 404, right? So it's not picking this page, and it says that California is not found. So how to fix this? So the solution is, there is a syntax change, like the dynamic page should have a bracket in the name. So this makes this dynamic. So nextjs now knows that this is a dynamic page, and when we click on the link, it will pass the parameter. So now if we click on California, it will show California link, and it will show California as text, this params.state California, right? We click on New York, it will show New York. We click Texas, it will show Texas. Got it? So we are showing just the state name, whatever in the parameter, but we can show many things, like based on the state name we can show images or list of cities for that. List of cities in this state, and show the city here, right? So right now there is no city, so let's remove this. So whatever we want, we can show this page. Now this page becomes a state page, a dynamic state page. So one state page will work for all the links. So how this works is, if we have California, so the nextjs first find if we have California name folder or not. If it is not found, then it will go to this and show this. If suppose here we have link page 1, okay? So now should we get page 1 here? Let's check it out. see page 1. When we click on page 1, it shows this page, that is this one. If we have page 2, it will go to page 2. If we give page 3, then what will happen? Because page 3 does not exist, right? So let's see page 3. If we click on page 3, it will show page 3. That means if this page does not exist, then it will go to this dynamic page by default, like fallback. If we have that page name, then it will pick that page name. If not, then it will go to this dynamic thing. And in this page, it's showing whatever is in the link, this thing, it will show here. Got it? So this way, we will create a dynamic state page, get the state name from the parameter, and then here whatever we need to show based on that state name, information of the state like description, images, cities, whatever we want to show, we can show in this page. And based on the links clicked, it will show that state information. And now here we will have city links. Then we need to go to the city link, right? So as I told you that this will be a nested page. So like here page 1, sub page 1. So here we will have city page, right? So instead of sub page 1, we will add here city and page, right? And this will be city. And here if we add, see, state and then city. So suppose this is California, then we want Los Angeles, right? And like this, so many cities. So this one city page will work for all these links. Do you think it will work? No, because it's not dynamic yet. So we will add this bracket. Now this page becomes dynamic. Right, so now if we see, the styling is not proper, that's why it's showing like this. So if we click on California, we are seeing state name and then all the cities. If we click on Los Angeles, it will say California, Los Angeles, and it will show Los Angeles, right? So this is state page, dynamic state page, and this is dynamic city page. And in that city page, we are showing city information. And in this state page, we are showing state information, right? So this way we can show real data, dynamic data with this dynamic pages. So now your task is to try to complete this. So in the home page right now I have just 3 states. You try to add more states. Even if you can add 50, it will be great. And then for each state, show some cities here. You can add some condition or something. If you are not able to understand them, then it's fine, but at least try to add 50 states or more than 3 states, like add some more and try to see if it works or not, right? So till now we are now at this stage where we can have dynamic state and city pages. Now next thing would be to add more information on these pages, and after that add more hierarchical pages like specialty and doctors and all those things. Okay, so that we will see in the next video. Thank you.